What is now more important is, let's see the significance of the American Revolution. First of all, modern anti-colonial revolution. You see, it is for the first time that the colonists from various mixed cultures, they came together and they fought the imperialist nation over here. Spread of republicanism. Okay, that, what is the concept of this? Republican. What do we mean by this? It means that there has to be a head of elected authority. Constitutionalism. It means there is a law of the land. The constitution is, this term is very important for the exams also. Constitutionalism. Let's discuss it over here. Constitutionalism means you are limiting on the powers of government. It is said that power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. So constitutionalism is very essential in the democracy and rights, leading to global power realignment. There was a birth of a new nation. We have seen United States of America. First time the modern written constitution, okay, it had been created at a large scale federal democratic republic. Now, what is the meaning of this word federal? That the various states were coming together and they were giving the power to the whole nation. Okay, in India, please remember, the Indian federalism is indestructible union of destructible states. But when I'm talking in American context, okay, this word federal over here means it is indestructible union of indestructible states. Okay, even the states are very powerful. In India, we have a quasi generous federalism, or you can say cooperative comparative federalism. Even K.C. Very has said that mostly the federalism has a centralizing tendency. Okay, so it is different. Now, the ideas that inspired the world further were equality before law. This Indian constitution has picked up in its Article 14. One is EPL, Equal Protection of Law. One is EBL, Equality Before Law. This is a positive conception of equality. Then natural rights. I have a dignity being a human. Popular sovereignty, which talks about the consent of the governed or the people. Okay, all this later led to spread of French Revolution. Okay, another thing, in this American Revolution, we see that there were elements of capitalism. That means liberty of the enterprise, there was property rights, and open, free, fair, market-based economy. Okay, basically later we'll see the conception of laissez-faire economy or the market demand supply economy will be coming here. Apart from this, by this time we have seen coming up of institutional legacy, means as Montesquieu had said, separation of powers. So we saw this conception of separation of powers in USA's constitution. Check and balance system was there. Never again somebody is going to rule us like that. There were elected legislatures, totally conception of democracy. judiciary was totally independent. So the idea systematized by Montesquieu had become a living institution in the American Constitution.